Hi everyone, this is LEGO Firefighter Aircraft set, and today we will assemble the set, add lights and see what it looked like at the end. I purchased this LEGO set a few months ago and I didn't have time to assemble it until today. But I wanted to add something. I wanted to try one of the LEGO light kits from Amazon. So I chose the BRIKSMAX LED Lighting Kit. In the first segment of this video, we will see the LEGO Firefighter Aircraft assembled, and then we will attach the light kit to the aircraft. And in the third segment, we will see the final results, followed by final thoughts and conclusion. The set has 1,134 pieces. The build consists of many bags, numbered and organized to be built in 4 stages. First, we empty the box. As we can see here, we have Lego bags, sticker sheets, 3 large Lego pieces, and building instructions. We empty the first set of bags. The second set of bags. The third set of bags. Fourth set of bags. Assembling the set was fun and I really enjoyed it. The final result. The plane is solid and it looks good. The plane is larger than I expected. It's 7 inches, 18 centimeter high, 23 inches, 59 centimeter long, and 23.5 inches, 60 centimeter wide. The build has 4 functions. The tail flaps can be adjusted. The landing gear can be deployed or undeployed by rotating this gear. It's relatively slow process and I have to rotate the gear a lot to deploy the landing gear fully. The airplane has a water dropping function. Water pieces needs to be placed inside the plane body through these doors. The water can be dropped by rotating this lever. Both propellers can spin briefly by pulling this lever at the bottom of the airplane. We purchased this light set from Amazon. It's made specifically for this model and there is a specific location for each light. The light kit adds 5 LEDs and 2 strobe lights. 1 in the cockpit, 1 under each wing, 2 in the tail area, and strobe lights at the wingtip. Then we install 3 AA batteries. Now we attach the lights to the airplane. We will start on the light inside the cockpit, which will be secured by the sticker surface on the back of the LED. Then we have to send the wire through and remove some parts. We remove Lego parts at the wingtip, place the LED and secure it using the clear Lego piece that comes with the light kit. We secure the wire through the wing and engine, then connect it to the underwing light segment and attach it to the wing by the sticker surface at the back of the light. We insert the wire inside the plane body. We do the same steps for the other wing. We remove the Lego clear piece, insert the LED with wire, and secure it by placing the Lego part back and covering the LED. We attach other lights in the tail section and secure the wires. We attach a point in the tail section where all 5 wires and battery pack wire meet. As you see, the airplane with lights looks fantastic. I really like how it looks like. I really enjoyed this build and I like the final result of the airplane, and I want to mention here some pros and cons for the lighting build. The pros: the build was fun and I enjoyed it, and I like how the aircraft looks. The cons: there is no room for the battery compartment inside the plane, so it will stay outside and connected to the plane by wire, and 2 strings of wire are visible on the sides of the aircraft. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it if you support us by like and share. Bye bye.